If you've been unemployed, if you've been laid off, if you've been fired, if you're feeling stuck as to how you're going to start your business, let me tell you this. Let me tell you, you don't need a large following. From someone that quit her job 3 years, I think it was like 3 years ago. Yeah, it'll be 3 years ago this December. Quit my job, and since then I've been utilizing what I have to make money. You just need to know how to use what you already have. Yes, your 9 to 5 experience, that exact experience, whatever skill that you have acquired from your previous job or your current job, if you're even looking to quitting your job, this video is for you because I'm going to show you how to use your skills to create streams of income. If you're new here, my name is Noma. I'm laughing because I'm like literally standing against the wall because I want to relay this message to as many people as possible. There are a lot of people unemployed that have been laid off, fired, need a new beginning. They want to start a business but don't know how. So anyways, let me introduce myself before I start the video. One thing about me is that if I have an idea, if I have something to say, I'm going to press record. So here I am. Hello, my name is Noma. I love to talk about business. I love business. Everything about business, that's what I'm doing. Okay, if you're new here, okay, let's get it. Okay, serious face. Honestly, if you are new here, my name is Noma, and I help you turn your skills and ideas into income without the hustle culture and without the burnout, okay? So let's get into it. Let me ask you something. So how many times have you asked yourself, I'm ready to start, I'm ready for more, but I just don't know how to start? Okay, you've been sitting on skills, income for a long time. In this video is exactly why I want to break it down. A lot of people will give you the runaround, will have you beating around the bush, but they're not getting straight to the nitty gritty, straight to like, what is the truth? What's the facts? There's a lot of gurus out there telling you, yeah, you do need this amount of followers, you need this, that, and the third. Honestly, from someone who's been doing it for a while, okay, I'm going to be straight up, no fluff in this video. So let's get into it. So this is where you are going to shift your mindset. I promise this is the game changer. It's not even about the money aspect. It's more about your mindset. You have to believe that you already have what you need in order for you to make a move, to make that decision, in order for you to create that income. If you don't believe already, you can download all the marketing courses, you can hire a coach, you can buy the 10K lighting, you can even buy followers. It is going to impede you if you don't have a belief already instilled in you. Believe, knowing that you can do this with the skills that you've acquired from your job. Here's the thing, you don't need to start from scratch. You've been training for your business the entire time while you were working or worked at your 9 to 5, okay? For instance, if you've been responding to emails, customer complaints, if you've been receiving customer service calls, reports, marketing plans, whatever it is that you did or do, if you're still employed and you're looking for an exit, this is the time to hone in on those skills, okay? Those skills are what solves the problem. Because remember, having a business isn't just about the money. The money is great, the money will come, but it's about your why. Your why is what solves the problem of your business. A business solves a problem. So for example, if you are great at motivating, inspiring, organizing, teaching, coaching, what else? Designing, writing, that's already a business within itself. You already have the business waiting for you. You just need clarity. You need clarity on how to package, how to market, and so forth. So let's talk about how to find that clarity and actually match it with a profitable idea. Grab a notebook or open up your notes app, and then I want you to write down the skills that come easy for you, the skills that come naturally to you. I want you to circle them. The things that people always come to you for, the things that come easy for you but others struggle with, that is a huge sign. For example, let's say you make presentations look good. You have design skills. Let's say you are the go-to person for help. Like, people come to you for advice. You have coaching skills. And another example would be that you are the go-to person for solving problems. That is consultation work. You have consultation skills. Next, you're going to figure out what people are paying for online. So your business literally is what you're good at and what people need. That is your business. So next, we're going to talk about turning your skills into an offer. So here's where people get stuck. They have the skill, right, but they don't know how to package it. That's fine. We're going to fix that right now. So don't worry about it. No more stressing, no more overthinking. It's just 3 steps. Number 1, it is to define the problem your skill solves. You have that one skill. It should define the problem. A solution. Your skill is a solution, not solutions. Remember, you're not serving to everyone. You're serving to that one person with that one problem. Okay? Number 2, it is to package it, to put it into an offer. So your offer can be a digital product. Under the digital product category, there are plenty of variations. You have ebook, you have a guide, you have course, webinar, workshops, and the list goes on. Select one from that list. And then last but not least is to be consistent in showing your offer, because if no one knows that you and your business exists, you won't make money. So for example, if you are good at social media, managing social media accounts, create an offer called social media business or social media setup for beginners. Okay. If you are a teacher, create an ebook called How to Teach. The options are plentiful. You have plenty of possibilities. Don't overthink it. Literally create something simple. Simplify the solution, because you remember that people just need that one thing to solve that one problem. Starting a business is scary. Starting something new in general is scary, but you want to know what's even more scary? Staying in the same place because you decided to not start. That is scary. Create an offer, select a skill, package it, start talking about it. That is all. That is all you have to do. Don't worry about the schematics. Don't worry about the fancy website. Don't worry about the 10K followers. Coming from someone that has made money from 1,000 followers. Be clear. Don't be all over the place. When I tell you, I will speak until my face turns blue regarding clarity. Have clarity in your business. It will pave the way. If I can present a drawing somewhere here, I will, to present its importance for you and your business. Because when you have clarity in your messaging, it will align you, it will position you to where it will attract everything, the money, the clients, the customers to you. There's no point in begging, in forcing, and chasing for a sale once you align yourself. But in order for you to be aligned, you must have clarity in what you do, what you solve, the problem that you solve. Once you have that, everything else will follow. Okay, so show up on social media talking about your transformation, the process. Don't worry about perfection. Okay, talk about what you're learning along the way, what you have learned. Talk about how you help them, because at the end of the day, they want to know how you can help them. So why not talk about what they want to know? That is exactly how you are going to attract your clients. Remember, you're not begging, you're not forcing, you're not chasing. You are attracting your clients. Remember guys, consistency beats perfection every single time. If you're sitting here thinking, I know I have the skills, I just don't know how to put them all together, I created a bundle called the Business Clarity Bundle. It is literally your roadmap. It is a gold mine. If you are confused and you're looking for clarity in your business, it helps you. It helps you identify your unique skills. It helps you to package them into a business idea and start creating offers that sell. So there's no need in you creating 10 offers. Most people don't fail due to lack of talent. It's not about the talent, because you do have the talent. It's that they fail because of lack of clarity. So regardless of what you see online about having so many offers and so many following, push that to the side and focus on clarity, gaining clarity in your business, gaining clarity on what skill you need in order for you to move forward into packaging and then selling your offers. Take one skill from your 9 to 5 and brainstorm, how will you serve someone else? How will you help someone else? Then comment below and tell me, what skill will you use to turn into income this year? Then, if you are interested in going from confusion to clarity, I really hope that you are, because we're not walking in confusion anymore, right? Grab the Business Clarity Bundle below. It is your roadmap. It is a gold mine, I promise. You need clarity in your business. It is your foundation. Make sure you subscribe for more videos like this to build your business with more ease and more purpose. Until next time.